Hello guys, welcome to my channel.
Hello guys, in the last video we have learned about the concept of data binding and we have learned how we can bind our layout with the concept of data binding. Now in this video we are going to learn the one-way versus two-way data binding. In a previous example, if you see, I have shown you the example of one-way data binding. One way means with the help of class or variable we are changing the value of the layout. So I will implement this concept again in place of data class. This data class, I will use the concept of live data and then I will connect the live data. Then I will show you the two-way also, one way versus two-way with the proper example. So here in this coding we have a data class object. So I will remove this and I will connect this data with the view model. So for that I am creating a one more class and I say data, you say info view model like this, and here I say view model like this, and here I convert to constructor and here I declare one variable. I say var info view model and I say here mutable live data, and here I initialize the value. This says info by live data like this, and I import this class. You see, just a simple example, we have one variable, this variable value we will replace here. So in place of this data class, I am closing it. Here I will create the object of, first of all, the view model. So I say val info view model, I say info view provider, and here I say view model provider, and here I pass this dot get, and here I pass info view model class.java like this. I have connected. So I am removing this, no need of this one, and in place of this I bind this value to info view provider like this, and one more thing, provider, and remove this one, and I change the layout. I go to this layout and in place of this class I change the name of the class, that is info view model like this, and I go there, connectivity done. So you see, this is that, and name of the object of this is view model. I say this is only info, okay, because the name of this is same. I think if I go there object and I say info, this is info already. So info is the name is same because this is info here, and I just call the same variable here, and if I run this information live data is connected with the binding. If I run this again, you see information has come. Now this process is called one-way data binding. Now I change it to two-way data binding. How? Just I am going in the layout and I go to design And here in this design, I just remove this list view from here and I put one more text value, text field or edit text here down, and I connect this with horizontally and vertically with this layout, and I give the ID also txt, I say info change. Okay, and in the coding I also change it to, we can say, match parent, like this, and I say margin start, I say 10 dp, and margin end also 20 dp, same, just feel better. And this information I just do blank right now, and I just say hint also, I say enter value for info here, just to give the hint. You see, this has been done. Now what I do here, you see I have connected the information variable of this information variable value to the text view. Once again I just write here like @ and equal to and this bracket for data binding, and here I write same info data.info, and you will see when I will run this program, this is two-way data binding and this is one-way data binding. Two-way, what is the advantage and disadvantage? You see, if I run this application, you see the one-way data binding means if I change the value of this variable, then the value of this text field will change, only one way. But here also you see, here same information is coming, and but here in place of this symbol I use equal to symbol also. That's a two-way modification, means if I modify this value, if I write something here, data by edit text like this, it is not running because one problem is coming. I have to pass life cycle information also, I think, binding dot life cycle owner equal to this. This is also compulsory to write because then this value will change, I think. We run it again because it's not recognizing the life cycle of activity. You see same information is coming, and if I write here by edit data or edit text, you see automatically the value is changing. You see, because I have linked the life cycle of this with this. So whenever I am changing the data here in text field, the live data variable value are changing. You see, this value is by default this, but whenever I am changing this value here in the text field, the variable, the live data variable value is also changing. So two way is there. One way means the live data information is changing the text, changing the layout value, means this text view value. This text view value is changing by this live data variable. But whenever I write in this edit text value is also changing in this live data. That's why the value of text field is changing, because in text field I have not included equal to symbol. You see, it's equal to symbol, two-way data binding, this is one-way data binding. By two-way data binding, whenever I change the value here in the view, then the variable value also change. So this is the concept of one-way versus two-way data binding. Thank you for watching this video.